This is my Costco haul. I'll start on this side here. I got 2 bags of the plant-based mozzarella cheese for my daughter. I plan on freezing one if I have to, but I shouldn't have to freeze this until next year. So it'll probably get eaten before then because she loves her pizzas. I got this. It's a 2-pack of the ground bison. Looking forward to this. These are a tomato medley. 2 pounds of the tomato medley here. I got the organic mixed fruit, and Mario loves to put his Red Bull in with the frozen fruit as kind of like ice. Strawberries, I've already taken them and cut them and put them into the jars, but I did take the package and repurpose it for my little succulent cutting trimmings here, and it looks like it'll have good results. These are new. They are an allergy product because they have no peanuts, tree nuts, dairies, or eggs. It's a 20 bars, 12 of the chocolate brownie and 8 of the chocolate chip. So we're gonna give these a try and see how these are. I got a case of the Powerades, a case of Red Bull because Mario loves these for work, the giant Hot Pockets with the garlic buttery crust because obviously that's the best. Here is the giant bag of drinks. I got a 36-pack of Pepsi, 2 boxes of Capri Suns, there's one back there, and the 30-pack of Sunny Delight, which was actually on sale. So we are set probably for the entire summer and possibly back to school, depending on how much we get out this summer. We have an ambitious bucket list, so we'll see. And then here, we really enjoy the oatmeal crumble nature bakery ones here. Strawberry and apple, these go pretty quickly. This is a new item. It is a 24-pack of vegancitos. I think it was $5, so this is a really good deal. Here is the summer pasta blend of the pasta that I like to get from Costco. It's vegan, and then the summer blend has the tri-colored spirals. These are some kind of a macaroni, and then these are the tri-color bow ties. And the pasta has a 2-year shelf life, so we have a while to go through it. So pretty excited to try the new flavors. Then we have the Wagyu grass-fed ground beef patties. There are 15 in here. These make really good at-home dinners when you don't want to spend too much eating out. As our kids get bigger, it is definitely more expensive to be eating out. So I'd rather splurge a little and get a stack of the frozen grass-fed beef, like burgers, than spend like $30 or $40 at a burger joint. And then this was 15 bucks. This is so neat. I've already had to break into it. My son is currently wearing the little jellyfish there. But this was 15, and it has some of the hydrocolloid bandages. Those are the little squishy ones that help promote the healing, and it's pretty exciting. And then I got the huge pure vanilla extract because we plan on doing some baking this year, coming probably towards the fall and winter months. So this is the inside of the tray bin. It has a little map on here to show you which band-aids go where. See, the top tray are these extra large bandages, and I had a clever idea to tuck these in, because then fit my EpiPen. And it all fits in the box. So this is actually really cool. This is metal, like it's a little tin box with a little latch on it. And then I can just put it all back together. And then these are just so cute, like some of these band-aids, the rainbow colors and everything. So then you have like the little unicorns. I also bought about 7.5 pounds of ground beef. It was around $30, 30 and change, I believe. And I tried to freeze most of it flat, but the freezer's a little full and disorganized, so it got a little lumpy. They'll look kind of like this, but they still defrost reasonably quick and kind of save a little bit of space in this mess here. So I also picked up a $5 rotisserie chicken and a $10 pepperoni pizza. I usually do this. It helps with having dinner while I'm also trying to get a large amount of groceries kind of processed and put away, like bulk food, into the freezer. And I just used some of the tomatoes we just got and threw together a quick salad to go with the chicken and some breadsticks. My daughter, however, can't have the pizza, so if she doesn't want chicken, I'll end up making her a pizza. This is the vegan cheese that I just got from Costco. She is a big fan, and it is much, much cheaper than when I used to buy the Daiya in like these 6 to 8 ounce packages at the store. So overall, I'm really enjoying this new cheese for her, and it is a great deal. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy Costco hauls, I'm going to try to make them more of a regular thing now that I have found some products that I do use in bulk at Costco. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos.